Today we will conduct the speaking test, and firstly I want to introduce myself. I am an IDP certified trainer in GD Infotech, and now I am going to give you some tips for the speaking, and we will also conduct the speaking. In speaking, examiner always assess you on the basis of 4 criteria. So first of all, you all know about the parameters, how your examination is judged. First of all, you have to take care about the fluency and cohesion. Fluency doesn't mean that you have to go fast. It means you can speak in a normal way and in a normal tone, but there should not be pauses. And another one is cohesion. Cohesion means your connection, sentences should be connected. Means that should not be simple and you have to use because, as, since for the reasons, like whenever you are giving the result, then you have to use the as a result consequently. So these are the criteria, first criteria on the basis of which you will get the 25% marks. And another one is of lexical source. Lexical source means you have to use a vocabulary. Vocabulary means uncommon words that you must use. If you will use more and more common words, then you will get the better bands. And another one is of grammar. In grammar, your accuracy, not the accuracy will be checked, but also your range. How much of the tenses you are using, how much of the grammar you are using. So please don't try to give the answer in the one tense only. Move sometimes in the past and sometimes in the future, sometimes in the present, and sometimes use the models. So use on that basis. And the last one is the pronunciation. That is very important. And you have to use that, like where there is a comma, you have to use a small pause, pronounce the English words in a logical way, and where there is a full stop, please take some more pause, and then you have to use the contractions also. Some of the students ask me that why we have to use the contractions, because speaking test is informal and we have to use the contractions there. So if you are using that, and you can get better band. This is a 9 band criteria, and average of these 4 parameters will be your final band score. Thank you. Now we will going to conduct a speaking test. Test of International English Language Testing System taking place on 11th of January at Khanna Center, and the center number is KHN 10456, and the candidate is Shifali Angrish, and candidate number is 45567. Examiner is Kamal Agarwal, and examiner number is 04567. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Shafali English.
What can I call you?
You may address me as Shafali.
Shifali, where are you from?
I'm basically from a small town located in the northern part of our country, and it's having a lot of facilities. I can say medicational related to the educational one, and lot of things are there which are included in my town. There are a lot of transportation facilities as well.
Okay, can I see your identification, please?
Sure.
Okay, now in the first part I will ask you some of the questions about yourself. Let's talk about trees. Do you like trees?
Yes, I like trees very much because they play a very prominent role in our life, as well as they are very much paramount about the features they are having included in them. Trees are very much a depleting factor that I can say they are playing an eminent role and an amicable feelings they are providing. As an instance, there are shaman peoples which are dealing with the trees for the healing process, as well as the medication process.
Is there any forest near to your hometown?
Yes. There's a forest near to my hometown, and that forest is particularly based upon the thing. It is encaptured in a particular base which is located near my town, and the encaptured base is including lot of eminent sources that I can inculcate in between them, and lot of recreational as well as transportation facilities are related in this kind of thing.
Would you like to live in a place where there are a lot of trees?
Yes, I would really adore this idea because I'm a nature lover person as well as ecological person. So I would prefer to do it because trees are playing such a paramount applicant role in our lives, as well as they are relaxing my mind whenever I feel just stressed, and then I can go to a forest or a tree particular based area, then I can relieve my mind.
Do you think places with trees attract more visitors than places with fewer trees?
I don't think so that places with trees attract more people. Even though I don't know about other people's opinion, I can say my preference is to go in the particular forest area, because due to the different facilities as well as amenities what trees are providing to us are very much adorable at that time, and that I can say they are just a leading factor in the clearing the environmental sources as well as ambience of the particular atmosphere.
Let's move on towards the time management. How you organize your time?
First of all, time management is that particular thing that which we have to build in our life, and it is very much important to deal with the time zones, because if we are getting late towards a business meeting or any educational event that is held in our particular area, then how the other person will be kept understood to keep that a particular thing that this person is very much irresponsible because he or she is not reaching at that particular time.
How do you feel when you're late for an appointment?
I feel so much distressed at that time. Even I will feel a profound apologetic, and I can say I'm reaching late at some particular event, and what kind of feelings came to my mind is I just got stuck in a particular thing which
Do you think it is important on time?
I think it's very much important, and it's a good thing because it maintains our respect as well as professionalism. And as I can say, time management is a particular good thing, that if we are dealing with a particular time with our things, then we can easily complete our work as well as we can perform a lot of other activities.
How do you feel when others are late?
I feel so much bad at that time, because if others are texting me that we are reaching over there and they are just not reaching at that particular time, I even think of a lot of risky things that came to my mind. I just think that they are just getting distracted.
Do you also adjust sometimes when someone is late?
Yeah, sometimes I adjust myself, because a lot of probable actions are there which they are dealing with. The probable actions can generally be, if the problem is so much situation, the main thing over here is that is situation, at which particular situation someone is instructed and how he or she is dealing with that situation.
Have you ever faced this problem?
Yeah, basically as I was a teacher before, so I dealt with this kind of problem with my students.
Now let's move on towards the robbers. Are you interested in robbers?
Yes, I'm very much interested in robots, because they are the part of technical engineering, and as well as there are a lot of sources. Moreover, I can say there is a structural part of the robots which is dealing with the other ambient sources and amicable sources of applied, but somehow they are virtually inculcated in between them. The whole part structuring is done with the help of technological zones, and which there are a lot of parts, I can pronounce them very well, and the parts which are related to robots are just eminent and provided good.
Do you like to keep robot in your home?
That's a brilliant idea for me to keep a robot, because it will ease my life, as I can make the robot to prepare food for me, as well as he or she with the source as a machine. I can say any kind of work to perform, he or she will help me to do that kind of work.
Well, let's talk about the water sports now. What kind of water sports you know?
Well, I know about a lot of water sports. I can say the river rafting is my favorite sport, because river rafting is included a lot of boat structures as well as wheels. First of all, the main person sitting in the boat has to deal with that part. First of all, after rotating the wheels came to inculcate the water at the backside. Besides this, I can additionally say that while moving water, we can just go down to the adventures of that particular zone, and while watching all the adventures, we can soothe our mind as well as relax.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of water sports? Can you explain it?
Yes, there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages of the river rafting as well as water sports. First of all, as an instance, if someone is not enough mature to go for the water sports, he or she can just drown there. So that's why I can say it's very much disadvantages over there. As well as while counting for the advantages part, I can say it's very much relaxing and soothing my mind. Lot of supersede examples which should be impeded over here, I can say that they counteract over the particular facilities which are provided.
Have you ever done water sports?
Yes, recently I go for the water sports in the summer holidays of mine when I was free at that time. So to utilize my time properly over there, I just went with my parents too.
Now I'm going to give you a topic and you have to speak 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say, and you can make your notes if you wish. Save your copy and pen. Now you have to describe about a program or an app you think is useful. Your time starts now. Okay. Now you have to speak 1 to 2 minutes. If I stop you, please don't bother. It's just reminder that your time is over. Yes, let's start it.
Well, I always had a tough time buying groceries because I have a lot of time to do with my work, as well as I have a lot of hectic schedule with my. So my friend particularly helped me at that moment. He gave me some alternatives. At that time, he told me about an app that is Fresh to Home, and that particular app helps to find out the groceries on the custom days as well as alternative days. So I came to know about this application, and it's a very eco-friendly as well as good application. So various features in this applications are linked to the different subscription zones. The first subscription zone tells about the thing that we have to subscribe for it. First of all, there are list of options, and in that list of options there are different options, like regular days are there, alternative zones are there, and some kind of custom days are there. That we are having an event in our home, then we have to deal with the custom days. And if we are going for the regular thing to buy the groceries, there are various ranges from the diced banana to a grated coconut. A lot of facilities are provided over there, like wallet is there. If we are fulfilling the amount of particular grocery that which we have to buy over there, then only we can get out that grocery. Otherwise, we can't entail the grocery over there. If we are actually in the habit of taking a grocery towards our home, we have to message it through the previous zone of time period, that is particularly 8 p.m. That is very much fixed. If you are not ordering at that particular time, then you will receive your grocery.
Do you think that the people will use more this type of apps in the future?
I think so, because people today are becoming lot of technological, as well as it's an era of advancement. I can say people will deal this kind of apps because they are making our lives very indispensable.
Thank you. Can I take my copy and pen?
Sure.
Now I will ask you some of the general questions from this cue card.
Sure.
What is the importance of apps in our personal life?
Well, apps are playing very much proficient role in our lives, and I can say they are having amicable things in the as well. Moreover, I can say apps are dealing with a lot of things which are making our lives easy. For instance, there are Facebook, there are Fresh to Home, urban companies, as applications which are helping in a lot of different features.
Are there any drawbacks to these apps also?
Yes, I think so. There are just little of drawbacks over here that we can neglect also. I can say, for example, there is a storage particular criteria, that is we have to clear our RAM of the phone, otherwise our phone will get to a backup zone.
Are these apps helpful in making honest relations?
I don't think so. It depends upon the user, because he or she has to be very smart to deal with the people over it.
How can technology make our life easier?
Technology makes our life easier because in our daily lives we are dealing with technology. Like for instance, I can say there are refrigerators and air conditioners which are dealing with. Farmer is helping us in maintaining the atmosphere of our time period or particular room zone. I can say the later one is helping for us with dealing with to capturing our food safe.
Why are mobile phones gaining popularity?
Mobile phones today are gaining very much popularity due to their versatile look as well as they are easy to carryable, and I can say mobile phones are dealing with particular time, at a particular time they are dealing with one kind of situation that if we are using games and if we are dealing with the watching movies, at one particular moment we can open many kind of softwares over there.
Okay, thank you. This is the end of speaking test. Okay, now in the last, as a arts trainer, I want to give some tips to the students that before start your IELTS, you must have the knowledge about the parameters. Like in speaking, please take care about the parameters like fluency and cohesion. And next one is your lexical sources, means vocabulary. And third one is of grammar. Grammar not only accuracy but also the range. Range means you have to move towards the different type of sentences, different types of tenses, and to move toward the different types of modals. And last one is your pronunciation, that is also important part. And the average of these four will be your final band score. So please take care about that, and whenever you are giving the speaking to the examiner, then take care about that. And if you want to join the arts classes and you want to achieve like the Shefali English, then you can join GD Infotech. Our branches are in Amlos, Rand and Khanna.